Kanini na? Oh, nanayon zero. Ang problema lang, ugwa kanini ani. Therefore, buga juga diha. Kuha ka mag therefore. Uy, boom. Good morning, students. So, for this morning class, post shown, compute the maximum allowable value of F. The cross-sectional areas are 400 mm square for steel, 5,000 mm square for timber, and 6,000 mm square for concrete. The allowable stresses are 110 megapascal for steel, 14 MPa for timber, and 18 MPa for concrete. Okay, so we are required to get the allowable value of F. So similar siya sa katong gihatag example, right? Pero vertically loaded siya. So three materials, we have concrete, steel, and timber. We're going to cut sections, diba? That's the technique. So the first cutting class is from the top to the bottom. Mo na bisag mo analyze ka sa structural loading analysis gid class is from top panaog. Di ka mo analyze nga from bottom pa igbaw. Gikan gid sa igbaw class magtikabugat na siya padulong paubos. The first cutting is at the steel side. Now if this is the cut, this is the steel. So may loading ni steel class. Compression nga 5F. So therefore we have a reaction at the steel side nga unknown. We don't know. You need to sum up forces along Y. Make sure nga Y ang gibutang ha, dili X ha. Equals to 0. Upward equals downward. So unsa may upward? Reaction at the steel side is equals to the downward force. Pila man? 5F. Okay? The next stress of the steel is equals to the force applied at the steel side divided by the area of the steel side. Simple lang siya, no? So the stress of the steel is given. Pila man? 110 megapascal. So 110 is equals to the force applied at the steel side, that is 5F, divided by the cross-sectional area, 400 mm squared. Automatic na siya nga area ha, dili siya diameter. Okay, the answer, klaro man na, no? And that is 8,800 newtons. This is not yet the final answer because we'll be checking this one based sa capacity pod ni timber and ni concrete. Now, at the second cutting plane class, this is now the concrete. This is now the steel being loaded with compression nga 5F and timber loaded siya og 2F compression gyapon at the timber side 2F. So therefore we have a reaction at the timber side nga we don't know kung pila. Again, to solve for that one, summation of forces vertical equals to 0, upward equals to downward. Unsa may upward? The reaction at the timber side is equals to the downward forces class nga 2F plus 5F. The reaction at the timber side is equals to 7F. So, stress at the timber side is equals to the force applied at the timber divided by the area of the timber. So, stress ni timber, pila galito ang gihatag 18, 14. So, we have 14 megapascals is equals to 7F divided by area ni timber, 5,000. So, this is 5,000 mm squared. So, F value class ni timber based sa capacity niya is 10,000 newtons. And this is 10,000 newtons. The third one class, the third cutting plane, concrete, timber, and steel. We have 5F for steel. For timber, we have 2F. And for concrete, we have 3F. And then we have the reaction at the concrete side nga wala pa ta kabalo kung pila na siya. So to solve for this one class, again, summation of forces vertical equals to 0. Upward equals downward. So therefore, the reaction at the concrete side is equals to 5F plus 2F plus 3F. So therefore, the reaction at the concrete is 10F. And then stress for the concrete is equals to the force applied at the concrete side divided by the area of the concrete. So this is 18 megapascals equals 10F divided by 6,000. Okay, 6,000 mm squared. F is equals to 10,800 newtons. Agi pangutana sa problem, pila yung maximum capacity allowable ni F nga kayang i-carry sa tulo ka materials. Okay? So to solve for that one, computing using the formula. Di ba sa first example class, akong giingon dito nga, the smaller the force applied, mas kayang i-carry. Di ba? Sa katong first example mga class, nakalahi ato i-compare ani kay uniform yang diameter all throughout. Di ba mo tong sample primero? Uniform ang diameter, I think that's 60 mm. Ang diameter niya, uniform all throughout class. So, kato, obvious gid nga kung kasi pinakagamay, mo gid na automatic ang advisable or allowable nga force. In this case, since dili man sila parehas og areas class, na may chances pod nga dako to kag force applied pero dako mo pog area nga ni carry, gamay gyapon na imong stress. Did you get that one?
Simple.
Di malipat ha. or I mean, let's try to check this one using the formula niya nga force over area. So let's try to check the capacity of steel kung kaya bang i-carry class ni timber o ni concrete. Tonyo! So let's try the stress of timber based na now sa force applied ni steel ha. So that is the force ni steel nga 8,800 but the capacity of timber class is 7F, diba? So this is 7 times 8,800. Then the area of the timber is 5,000. Pila may stress niya ron? Pila? 12.32 megapascals which is smaller than the capacity niya nga 14 megapascal. Therefore, okay siya. Kuha. Next, let's go now to the capacity of the concrete. The capacity of concrete class is 10 times the value of this F. So 10 times 8,800 divided by the area nga 6,000. Now, pila is stress ni concrete? 14.67 which is smaller gihapon sa yung capacity nga 18 megapascal. So therefore, correct and check gid gihapon ni siya class. Now, upon checking, mupasar gali na sa duha class, automatic gid na nga mao'y answer. Did you understand? Bisan pag di na ka mo check aning duha class, kay sulagma ra kay na nga ang tulo ka force bitaw, kayang i-carry po sa tulo. Naghimo pag problem, di ba? Uy, boom. Kung imo ning i-check, say try gani. 5 times 10,000 divide 400, kung pilay value. Pila? 125 which is greater than 120. Mo fail siya. Di malipat ha. How about this one? 10 times 10,000 divided by 6,000. Pila? 16? Okay, kaya siya ni kuanday. Kaya ni concrete. Kaya siya ni concrete class. Pero, dili siya kaya ni steel. Okay, so how about this one class? Kung kanina itong basihan. Di na gani kaya ni steel, nga kani pa lang ang value, di ba? Dili gani kaya niya, nga kani pa lang ang value, automatic mo fail lagi na si steel. Matik gina siya, kay mas dako man siya. But how about kani? Sure bulsad ka nga, dili niya kaya. Kay mora gani ang kaya ni timber, nga value sa F. Kung imo siyang padakaan class, mas mudako po ang iyang stress sa 14. Okay? So, katong ikaduha, kaya tuod to ni concrete class, pero mo fail man siya pag-abot kang steel. So, it's obvious gyud nga the answer is the smallest value sa atong force F nga 8,800. Simple. And that is the maximum allowable value of F, the 8,800. Oh, by the way, day, bisan pag naka-show ka bitawan ni tulo class, pero wala ka nihatag og final answer, wrong gid gyapon na siya. That's still wrong. Kay nga naman, the question man good class, allowable value ni F. Now, if ever bitaw, this is board exam, the value of this question class is still piso. Bisan pag daghan nagipa-solve bitaw sa problem, piso ra jud gyapon ang value ani sa board exam. Labaray ni buto ko brain cells. Sakitas ulo. Uy, boom. Nya, di ko ganahan nga magpamakapahila ko ninyo kay mga love be man ako. Di ba mga kasibilyan?